Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to solve problem number 44 on the nodal analysis. Here the problem given is for the network. So this is a closed path 1, closed path circuit 1, circuit 2, circuit 3. Therefore this is called as an electrical network. Determine the number of circuit elements, nodes, junction points, branches, and meshes. Step by step, let's try to solve. First one is identify the number of circuit elements. Here you can see here I have one voltage source plus resistor starts from R1 to R9. Okay, R1 to R9. So 1 plus 9 total circuit elements I have is 10. Second one is identify the number of nodes of the network. So the nodes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I am having the nodes are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So number of nodes are 8. Third one is identify the number of junction points. Junction points. So junction points where minimum 3 resistors are connected. Minimum 3 means more than 3. I mean 4 resistors, 5 resistors, 6 resistors up to infinity. Minimum 3 resistors have to be joined, then the joining point is called junction. Okay, so here you can see here. So this is 1 2 3. So B is one junction point and G 1 2 3. So G is also another junction point. Next one F 1 2 3. So F. Next one D is another junction points. Now the total number of junction points we have been obtained is 4. Okay, so fourth bit. So fourth bit we need to identify the number of branches. Okay, identify the number of branches. So branches is nothing but they lie between the junction points. So between the junction points, what are the elements are there? Those are called branches. Okay. Now let's try to write down the branch. So between here, I have one element which is nothing but R2, one branch. Second one, between these two, I have next one which is nothing but R5 plus R6 between two junction point. Between these two junction point, I have one more branch which is nothing but R7. So next one between these two I have one more which is nothing but R3. Okay, so next between R4 R7 is already completed. So next one R8 plus R9. Okay, so next one connected between B and C, next one is nothing but R1 plus R4. Like this you are having 6 branches of the given network. How many branches are there means, so the branch is nothing but which lies between the junction point. R2 is one branch, R5 plus R6 is another branch, R7 is another branch, R3 is another branch, R8 plus R9 is another branch, and R1 plus R4 is another branch. Like this you have 6 branches. So next question is identify the number of meshes. Okay, so here you can directly see here this is mesh 1, this is mesh 2, and this is mesh 3. So we have basically without observing itself I told how many meshes are there. 3 meshes are there. Okay, so this is mesh 1. So mesh 1 is connected between the nodes A, B, G, F, H, A is one mesh. Second mesh is B, C, D, G, B is another mesh. Okay. And let's try to see the next mesh, third mesh, closed path. Okay, so start with G, G, D, E, F, G is another mesh. Okay, so we identified 3 meshes. So the formula behind the number of meshes is also like this. So number of meshes is equal to branches minus junction minus 1. Okay, so how many branches are there? Already we calculated. How many branches are there? 6 branches. How many junctions are there? 4 minus 1. So which is 6 minus 3. So we are going to have 3 number of meshes. Okay, already it is proved. How many meshes are there? No need to re-verify. 3 meshes are there. So next one, we need to identify the number of nodes in the network. So number of nodes is equal to number of junctions of the network minus 1. How many junctions are there? 4 minus 1 is nothing but we have 3 nodes. So I want to give one conclusion. So node is A is a node. Okay, node connects A node connect E and R1. So it joins only two elements. It joins only two elements. If it joins three elements, then it is called junction. Okay, so the conclusion is a junction may be a node. Okay, so this junction B can be called as an node and as an junction, but node A is only a node but not an junction. Hope you got the clarity. A junction may be a node, okay, but a node is not an junction. Okay, that's what the clarity you have to identify. So, totally, I would like to review the problem. Totally 10 elements are there. Totally 8 nodes are there. Totally 3 joining points are 4 junctions are there. 3 meshes are there, and 6 branches are there. Okay, so hope you understood the number of nodes is equal to junctions minus 1. So, if you feel the explanation is good, please like the video, and those are studying the same subject, share with your friends. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. And if you're watching the channel for the first time, subscribe to the channel KV Tulsiram. So kindly support this type of free channels for the development of students as well as faculty. We'll meet in the next problem. Yours obediently, Ram.